Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Ford F-150. Stock number is 18F718A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. Chrome bumper and grille definitely add a nice feel. You have chrome wheels. Those are wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, cloth interior. Center console folded up as a third seat, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. Factory trailer hitch and your rear backup camera on the back. Taking a look at the bed. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, you have cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player, climate control, four-wheel drive controls are over here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.